All right, guys, what's going on? Chad with C&M Collectibles here. Hold on a second. Let me make sure this thing is recording correctly. It looks like it. Okay. What we got in front of us here is a giant box from Wal-Mart. What I ordered was they have a 50-pack deal where you get 50 packs for whatever, 20 bucks of random baseball cards. I'm sure it's going to be mostly junk wax. That's fine. If you can find little gems in there, you never know. And it's fun, right? So I'm going to show you what's inside of this box. This is actually 5 of those $20 orders, so it's 100 bucks. And there's probably going to be about $4 worth of cards in here. I know that going in. So before you start typing comments, just know that I know what it's going to be going in. But you never know, right? I just want to give everybody an idea of what is in this sort of deal, so you can decide if you want to go for that sort of deal. Let's see what it is. All right. And as you can see, hopefully you can see. I don't know. I can't see the. It's just packs upon packs just thrown in here. Okay. All right. Wow. Okay. There's a 2008. 5 packs plus 1 extra. Wow. Like a little blaster box there. 2008. 2011 opening day. Something or other there. All right. Well, we're just going to. Oh, jeez. Okay. This is. All right. We're just going to flip. Yep. All right. If you're not seeing anything, just hold on. I'm working on it. Holy guacamole. All right. So that was a lot of stuff. Let's see if I can get some of this stuff out of the way. Move this down just a little bit. And I'll try to get it to where... Now, a lot of these are the Dollar Tree 5-card packs. All right. So we'll get these boxes back here, just kind of. Okay. This is kind of cool. 14 update, that's Mookie's year there. I'm sure we got Mookie in there. I'm certain. There's another one of those. There's some decent, cool stuff in here. 2006. Little bundle there. And then you have a lot of these little 5-card packs, like I was saying. These are just Dollar Tree packs, whatever, dollar store. All right, I'm trying to organize some stuff here. Okay. I'm actually going to take this. Well, we'll just throw it up here. So there was this. There's my receipt there. Bunch of packs here. Try to get them all. Throw these over here. I was expecting them to be a little more organized in there, but that's okay. I'm sorting these out here real quick so I can show you how much of each you get, or at least how many I got. Bear with me momentarily here. Well, it doesn't look like I'm doing anything on camera, but behind the scenes, I'm getting there. $15.15. There. 17 Series 2, 15 Series 1. Kershaw action there. Everyday low price of $1. Yes. All right, we're getting there. We're getting there. We are getting there. All right. So, this is what we ended up with. That's it. Okay. So, as far as loose packs go, we ended up with, these are the 5-card packs. Series 215, we had 3, 6, 9, 10 of those. Archives 15, we had 1, 2, 3, 6, 7 of those. 15 update, 3, 6, 9, 10. 10 of those. 17 Series 1, 3, 6, 8. 8 of those. 15 Series 1, 3, 6, 9, 10 of those. Update 17, 3, 6, 10 of those. 17 Series 2, 3, 6, 9, 10 of those as well. 16 Series 1, 3, 6, 9, and 10 of those. And 16 Series 2, 3, 6, 9, 10 of those. So we had what, 100 loose packs there? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 70, 80, 95. Yeah, we had right at 100 of the single loose packs there. And then we had these little bundles that you see around here. It is opening day, 2011 blaster. This thing, 10 packs. Move it up just a little bit here. Let's see what's inside of these deals, huh? Might as well just take it all down to the pack level. What do you think? Opening day. Here we go. Open it up. Three, 6, 9, 11 packs of opening day, 2011. We got that one empty. Just throw it over here in the trash. So we had this deal here. This is a $30 value, it says. Oh. Holy cow. They're in there well. They are in there well. Little rack back action there. Okay. So mostly junk wax here, which that's kind of what we expected on that. We do have a rack back here from, was that 06? Yep, 2006. Probably an Alex Gordon error in there. 2006 rack back there, 2 of those in there. 92 upper deck. 91 Fleer, 90 Fleer. With the Jose Uribe, that's very valuable. Just amazing. 2010 opening day. 92 upper deck. Uh, 91 upper deck. 91 Fleer. 5-card pack, Series 114. Donruss, that's I think that's 89, pretty sure. '91 Fleer. Some more 89 Donruss there. 91 Fleer, 90 Fleer. '10 opening day. Oh, I already did those. Okay. That was that box. We had this little Future Stars blaster from 2007. Dice K autographed cards. Heck yeah. Two bonus packs inside. Oh man, it's double bagged for your protection. There you go. That out of there. We got 3, 6, 9 of these. Future Stars. Trying to make room here. Kind of got packs sitting all over the place precariously. All right, let's see what's in this. Is that 15 on the front? Another 06 rack pack there. Basically, it's just more of the same stuff here. 91 Fleer Ultra, which I'm sure are all stuck together. 06 updates and highlight. $80. Another Ultra 91. Archives from 15 again. Dollar store pack. 14. 89 Donruss 15 Series 2. Another one of those. Same deal here probably. Oh. 2008 on this side here. And Topps Attacks on that side. I'm trying to rip as fast as I can without destroying anything, and an 89 Bowman pack in there. I love 89 Bowman. It's one of my favorites. Look at that. Still got the gum in there too. Comeback edition, baby. Don't call it a comeback. Been here for years. 90 Upper Deck. I think that's 90 Donruss. 90 Fleer. 6, like a hanger pack there. 89 Donruss. Topps Attacks from 2010. 91 Upper Deck. Find the Nolan Ryan, it says. 2008 Series 1. That's actually a hobby pack. 89 Donruss. These seem to be pretty popular. These little red ones here. Oh, I'm getting better at it. Couldn't get much worse, right? They like their archives. 15 archives, 91 Fleer Ultra, opening day. Rack pack, 06. 89 Donruss. 14 Series 1, 89 Donruss. And Series 1 from 15. Another one of those. A lot of fun. A lot of fun to be had in these, man. I will open these off camera and come back and let you know. I'll come back with some highlights that I will not make you watch. All the carnage. watching the carnage here. 91 Fleer, 89 Bowman. Upper Deck Fun Pack. 6 fun, cool action field cards. 89, 90, another 06. Rack pack there. 08, 90 Fleer, 14, 89 donruss. Let's see donruss or leaf on the outside here on this one. '92 leaf. '90 donruss. 06 rack pack. 91 Fleer, 89 donruss. 89 Bowman, 92 upper deck. Leaf from 91 and 92. Upper deck 91, Fleer 90. 2008 bonus box, 5 packs plus 3 bonus cards. Heck yeah, Series 2, baby. Look for Kmart exclusive insert cards. They're out of business for the most part nowadays. Look at that. Bonus pack. All right, we got to crack the bonus pack. Here we go. We got to see what's in the bonus pack. Nick Blackburn, rookie. Masahide Kobayashi, rookie. And Jason Nix. Look at that. There you go. Series 2. 08. All right. 2008 Series 1 blaster. Exclusive Dick Perez painted set. Oh, bonus pack here too. We got to see what's in here. Series 1. I see Dick Perez, Mickey Mantle. Ooh. Look at that. There's Ichiro. David Wright. And the Mick. Series 1 there. Okay. This one doesn't have the plastic on it. Making my life easy, man. Little 08 action in the middle there. Or 06, I mean, sorry. I see score. 88 score there. Photo quality. 90 Fleer. 92 upper deck. 92 Fleer. 89 Bowman. Rack pack. of 06. 91 Fleer, 90 Score, 89 donruss. And 91 Upper Deck. Probably make a separate video. I'm gonna stop after I open these. Then I'll come back with a highlight video later on because I'm not gonna open all these packs right now. Hey, there's 91 Opeachy. Sweet. All right. The obligatory 06 rack pack. 90 Score, 91 Ultra, 91 Opeachy Premier, 91 Fleer, 90 donruss, another 91 Opeachy, 91 Ultra, 89 donruss. All right, let's see what's in this big old dude. It's a $30 value. Oh, I see 88 tops. 90 Fleer, 92 Upper Deck, 89 Bowman, 06 Rack Pack, '06 Rack Pack, 89 Bowman. Oh, look at that, 89 tops, 89 donruss, 91 Upper Deck. Studio. Is that 92? Yeah, 92 Studio. 90 Fleer. 88 tops, 89 Bowman. 89 donruss times 2. 91 Fleer. 89 tops and donruss. 06 Rack Pack. 92 donruss. 88 tops and Studio. All right, one of these left. A couple more over there. Those little oh man. These are hermetically sealed, man. There we go. Another 06. '15 Archives, 91 Ultra. 91 Ultra, 89 donruss. 90 Fleer. 14 Series 1, 89 donruss. 06 Rack Pack. 15 Series 1 and 89 donruss. Okay. A couple of these things over here, these little dealy whoppers. All right, let's see. 89 donruss, 90 Fleer, 14 Series 2, and 06 Rack Pack. 2 more of these. Jeez. Takes a steady hand. 06 Rack Pack, 14 update. I'm just going to open these now because I can't wait. I need Mookie. Ubaldo. Eduardo Nunez. Dylan Betances. Raul Ibanez. Andrew McCutchen. Look at that, 87 tops. Let's just open an 87 tops just for giggles. Mark McGuire was the big card back in the day in this set. There's some gum if you need it. Spring training, spring fever baseball. Pat Sheridan, Tony Gwynn, Chris Bando, Mike Bilecki, Lloyd Mosby, Cal Daniels. Cal Daniels was a big deal back in the day. Carmelo, Nate Snell, Shoe, George Bell All-Star. That's it for 87 right there. All right, this is our other pack of 14. Scott Kazmir, Ramon Santiago, AJ Pierzynski, Andrew Brown, Mark Reynolds. All right, that's it for that. One last little thing here. Another one with some 14 update in it. The obligatory 06 Rack Pack. All right, give me Mookie. There's Goldie. Freddie Freeman. Hunter Pence. David Lowe. Cody Allen. 89 donruss. Let's see if there's a Griffey in here. Puzzle. I think it was Warren Spahn this year, but I'm not sure on that. Charlie Lee Brandt. Joe Carter. Robin Yount, Hall of Famer. Kirby Puckett. Fisk, Hall of Famer. Those cards are actually in pretty good shape. Last pack of 14 update right here. Tyler Colvin. Simone Bonifacio. Mike Bolsinger was our only rookie. We struck out on the Mookie packs. Oh well. Let's open up one of these rack packs just for giggles. And it's got vintage. It's got vintage cards inside, it says. pack was wrapped, wasn't it? Okay. Carlos Beltran. Aubrey Huff. Corners are a little dented on these. Edinson Volquez. Francisco Cordero. Bobby Jinks. Yeah, the corners are pretty much trashed on those. Matsui. Trading Places, Mike Piazza. Brian Anderson, rookie. Mickey Mantle. Carlos Martinez. Dennis Eckersley. Joe Carter. Chris Duffy. Oliver Perez. Mark Mulder. Hank Blaylock and Michael Young. Brett Myers. Jason LaRue. Keith Folk. All right. Anyway, that's it for this video. It kind of gives you an idea of everything that's inside of there. So hopefully you have an idea. If you want to check it out on your own, I'm going to open this stuff over the next day or two, and I'll come back with a video of the better stuff that I got, if anything. Thanks for checking it out, guys. See you guys next time. Be good to each other.